Okay guys, so I'm new to YouTube, so if you could like and subscribe, that would be great. So I'm going to show you how to tie a basic fishing knot. So grab your hook, if you have one, take your line, stick it right through your hook. Right through that hook loop, just like this. You should have it like maybe 2 inches. 2 inches long. Then you want to grab the line like this, and then you want to twist your hook 8 to 9 times. That would be great. That would be the best. Okay. So once you do that, there should be a little loop. If it's big for you, that might be the loop still. It should be right by your hook loop. You want to stick it right through there. Don't pull it all the way, because you're going to want to stick it through that loop again. So once you stick it through that loop again, it's pretty hard. Give me a minute. Okay, then you want to pull it just a little bit, not all the way, because you want to put like your tongue and spit on it, because it prevents friction. And when you have friction, that could snap your line. You don't want that to happen. So then once you do that, just pull it tight. So then once you do that, that's it with your knot. You should also have, you see how the string's kind of long? If you're fishing for like bass or something, you should cut your line like that long. That's how long your line should be, sticking out. So that's the end of this video today. So yeah, like I said in the beginning, I'm new, so if you can like and subscribe, that would be great. And bye.